Pete here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. Just wanted to share some important information about the coronavirus. It looks like that a few companies have developed coronavirus vaccines. If you would like to be a guinea pig, you can volunteer to get set up. So basically it says, what is a clinical study? Learn about the different stages of clinical studies and see a list of active vaccine and antibody studies. What to expect as a volunteer. So basically you can go here and volunteer. Let's check this out. Okay. What is a clinical study? A clinical study basically is an intervention that has been shown promise in laboratories and then animal models subsequently move to the research studies in people. So that means they've done some testing and, now they need guinea pigs. So they basically look at people and they test you with the coronavirus. So kind of interesting. What to expect when you volunteer. Before you join a clinical study, you have to be in contact with a participating research site. For some of the antibody studies, you will not need to reach out to a site because they will come to the nursing home or assisted living facility. Okay, you may be personally asked questions before coming to the research site to determine if you both are a good fit. Keep in mind, you got to want to do it, be a good fit, and they need to realize that you would be a good fit for the study. They're going to give you legal authorized representative information about the study. It sounds like they're focusing on old people here. Not exactly sure why, but because a regular person's not going to need legal representative study unless you're an old person, you might. Okay, and most studies require sites for 10 visits over 1 to 2 years. If you decide to join and they determine you're eligible, that can include things for like asking for your medical history, to do a physical exam, or draw blood labs. During the study, most studies require coming to the research site for 1 to 2 years. Every study gets injections or infusions. And you may also be getting a placebo. So if you're on the placebo group, you don't understand how that works when they do a study. They actually give one set of people a placebo, quote unquote, not a real drug. And the reason is because they want to see how the test group does versus how the group that gets nothing. So the group that is the test group, they're supposed to, of course, have a better result. The placebo, if you want to get technical, they're supposed to have no change. But so many studies have shown that actually placebos actually have an increase versus absolutely no drug also. So just keep that in mind. When you enroll in the study, you'll be asked to keep track of how you feel for about a week following each infusion or shot. The staff will also contact you to find out how you're feeling during the time. If you become infected with SARS or COVID-19, the study staff will work with you to make sure you get the care you need. After the study, we may contact you again for a short study. When the study is complete, the results will be disseminated to all participants in their communities without any identifying information. Click here to volunteer. All right. Good luck. This is Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. Good luck. That's all I can say. All right. Smash the like button if you like this. Share it with a friend. And subscribe to the Small Business Resource Center for information about the pandemic, resources to help you during the pandemic, and business and personal development information. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to answer them as best as possible. Have a great day.